iTeraCare is suitable for various kind of inflammations. We talk about rhinitis, pharyngitis, gastritis, gynecological inflammation, even prostatitis. Yeah, and we did receive the information or the feedback from those who have used for having frequent urinating at night. Maybe they have to wake up 5 or 6 times, even the whole night, to go for answer the small call. But then after using iTeraCare, slowly you can see they are improved and reducing the what we call the frequency of waking up for urinating, and from then they can have the chance to sleep even the whole night through. So very, very helpful. You just blow on the prostate area or lower abdomen. Then for various pains, for various blockages, because in the TCM or traditional Chinese medicine, they always believe that when you are facing pains or you feel pains, mean there are certain blockages within your body. If you have no blockages, then there shouldn't be any pain within your body. So we talk about when you talk about shoulder and neck pain, joint pain, low back pain, and so on. Actually, somewhere, somehow, probably the lymphatic blockage, meridian blockage, even up to no kind of blockages within your body. So iTeraCare actually can be helpful for all those. And good news for the ladies on the line. For various skin issue, acne scar, blemishes, even for beauty purposes, you want to go for anti-aging. So iTeraCare can be a good choice, an alternative way to help you to do so. So let's just try to have a look on some of the testimony where I managed to compile. And this is actually some of the photos that were collected. So the first one is, I'm not sure, any one of our friends over the line here having this issue of big tummy. Oh, sorry, just a joke. Okay, but this one is actually helping, helping this gentleman. Before therapy, you can see the belly so big, but then after doing this therapy for 20 days, about 3 weeks, you can see slowly the size is decreasing. Okay, good news for those who want to reduce the size of tummy. And then secondly, this gentleman is having the problem of arthritis that troubled him for the past over 10 years. And even after one time of using iTeraCare, he felt very much comfortable, even the first time using. Then this uncle also, this gentleman, all this while he finds very difficult or couldn't lift his arm because of pain. Then even after using 30 minutes of therapy, you can see that he can lift up his arms. And the problems of vasculitis, 10 years problem, solved even after 5 years of therapy. You can see before and after that the recovery after 5 times of therapy. Then skin disorder, psoriasis. I don't have the photo the first day when this person haven't started using the therapy or iTeraCare, but we had it after 7 days, 9 days, and 22 days. You can see the stages of improvement after using iTeraCare. And then the other one you can see is the 3-year skin disorder. I don't know how to categorize this kind of skin disorder, but what the information we received, even after 4 days of therapy, improved so much. And this lady, the issue of thyroid nodules, you can see, the size is quite big. So normally, this kind of issue need to go for surgical operation. But then she has actually given a chance to use iTeraCare. See, after 10 times of therapy, you can see the size very much reduced. Good news for her. And also this madam, having SLE or lupus. That's why the skin looks so-called as the kind of the way of disorder on the skin appear on her face. So before therapy on the left, then even after 2 times of therapy, very much improved. And then psoriasis, another one, after 10 times therapy, before and after, you can see. And for burn also, the scar of burn, according to information I received, this particular person, he was admitted to hospital even for 1 month to treat the wound of the scar of the burn, then couldn't get better, you see, after only 3 days of using iTeraCare. Then this wound slowly, you can see, dry up and recover. And the problem of pruritus, you can see after 5 times, 10 times, 20 times of therapy, improved so much. And acne, you can see 2 weeks after therapy, before and after, the kind of acne, very quite serious, for this lady. And another one is Bell palsy. Bell palsy is not stroke, it is not stroke, but then it's a kind of a cramp on our face, on our face, one-sided of our face. Although I did meet up with someone about a month ago that he told me he got this problem and he was taking medicine for about only 1 month plus. Then he becomes what they call it, better or recover. But then for this person, so using iTeraCare, 1 week of therapy, you can see come back to normal. Even for this madam, after 8 days, because of Bell palsy, after 8 days of therapy, then you can see, so she felt so happy, they're becoming normal again. And another one for pigmentation, from left to right, you can see the pigmentation slowly, it can becoming, or not diminished yet, but then it's going to becoming lighter. I'll say all these 3 photos are before and after. Have taken the before and after 7 times of therapy using iTeraCare. And again, good news for the ladies for beauty effect. On the utmost left photo, you can see the wrinkle. And the shape of the face also after, this is the one after treatment, becoming V-shape. And this also the lady, 3 minutes also, just using iTeraCare. The eye bag, you can see, this side already treated with iTeraCare, just blow. And then this madam also, you can see the face, look like V-shape. Asian ladies, they want their face to look big V-shape, so that's why they use on this, and it can look nice for them. And wrinkles also for this gentleman, left side, you can see. Then after using, of course, it may take some time to so-called as improve, but then what I call it, as long as you are using, then you can see the result. You have the patient, so you can see the result. And I think I have some, hopefully I have some videos over here to can let you see the actual unit of iTeraCare, where this is also another testimony, as you can see, where this person is being, the foot is being bitten by ants. You can see the swollen, the leg here. The foot here becoming swollen. So after 20 minutes, then no more swollen. Just blow, just blow on the area you don't feel comfortable, and you can listen to the hair dryer. Then within this, we have really stop of this inflammation.
是用这把12指节，我相信今天一定会把它除好的。
And then the other one is the actuals we are doing. They have the experiencing. When this guy is experiencing, and he wants to try to get it blow on the back, but then you need someone to help. On the shoulder pain and back pain and so on. You can just blow on that area. Without help and better. Okay, and the other one for beauty. Let me see. I have for the beauty one. Okay, so this lady is trying to blow on her face. That's you can see that just directly, And of course, if you want to blow on your face, you have to remove, for those who are having contact lenses, please remove your contact lenses, and you can use a slower speed. We have 4 speed over the selection or the mode of the selection, okay? And for those who want to know more about where to blow and so on, we do have this diagram of reference, that we are actually circulating in the group. You can get it from the person who invited you for tonight's Zoom. So for example, for rheumatism, for rheumatism and for rheumatoid arthritis, gout. Yeah, this is the diagram to guide you where to blow from neck to the lower part of our body, even to our arms, to our foot palm and so on, and do circulations on the lower back. Yeah, and the next one is actually for flu, cough. Yeah, can you see that the back side from the neck area also? These are the guidelines. Just follow the arrow. Yeah, for each therapy, you can take about 10 to 20 minutes, and one day you can do about 2 to 3 times. It doesn't matter, no problem. Yeah, and so for joint effusions, meniscus injury, and so on. Yeah, these are some of the reference point. Yeah, based on the acupuncture points, where to blow using iTeraCare. Okay, frozen shoulder, dowager's arm, and so on. Okay, for this back columnitis, lumbar spondyloarthropathy, and so on. And even for beauty. So for beauty, when you blow on your face, at the same time, you can use your hand, yeah, to lift up the area that you want to get for beauty function purpose and so on. Yeah, tooth pain also, yeah. Bell palsy, just now how they blow. So these particulars, what I call the diagram for where to blow, you can get it from the person that actually we do circulate in the groups. You can get it. But then at least after you know about this device, I strongly encourage you should try this device. Yeah, you should try the device. Yeah, for so-called as for your whole family health purpose. Yep, I do encourage it. Once you try it, you will know that this device is doing many fantastic results. Okay. So there are certain category of people that actually we are trying to say that not recommended for them to use or avoid the area, including the first category, the pregnant women or the ladies during their menses or menstruation, those who are having acute diseases, people with congenital heart and diseases, where these are people they need to be avoiding, yeah, on the area of the heart or the chest, or what we call it, they're having objects implanted in their body, including they're having stent or pacemaker or insulin pump or metal and so on. The area on that should be avoided. And the category, another category is the open wound, especially the one who are still bleeding, a bleeding wound and a fracture, and the one who are immediately after surgical operations. Yeah, just try to avoid. And so when you come back to the advantages of iTeraCare, yeah, we need to highlight, because this is the unit we are getting from the original, the genuine factory of THz, yeah, and where the manufacturer is still continuously focusing and upgrading. Now it's already come to the 4th generations of THz technology, where iTeraCare, it consists not only one technology, THz, but then it is 3-in-1. Yeah, core technology of THz, quantum, and optical quartz technology. And just now, like initially I show you and shared with you the certification and the test report and so on. They have gone through strict inspection by this national authority for the safety and efficacy, and also with the numerous proven test reports with quality assurance of 1-year warranty, and being certified and patented. And our company is the sole distributor for 10 countries worldwide. So talking about iTeraCare is actually our family health partner. So at least we should have one unit in our home. Yeah. So for this particular device, so many years, I think our friends over the healthcare industry or the wellness industry, we haven't come across, yeah, so many years throughout our whole life, something so-called as to can help us in our health improvement. There when you no need to eat, no need to drink, no need to apply, just blow on the area, yeah, non-ingesting way, non-invasive way. So this is a breakthrough in technology. Thank you for the THz, yeah, and THz for having iTeraCare.